Go for it.
Hey, I'm Roxanne.
I'm Cynthia, and today we are going to show you how to use finishing touch on straight hair. So with our finishing touch serum, I prefer to twist the product. I know some people out there like to pump the product, which is totally fine. You won't get air in there, it won't damage it or hurt it or anything like that. I prefer to twist because it's an even amount of product on the brush. So I prefer it that way. So with that being said, I have my product. You can start anywhere on the hair. You can use this on any type of hair. It's great for color treated hair, normal hair, all the hairs. It works on all the hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna start at the beginning, the front, and kind of work my way around. You can't start in the back or on the side. It's entirely up to you. I prefer the front. I'm gonna brush it in. What's great about this product is it's not heavy like a wax stick or like hairspray. It's not greasy. What's great about this product is it has enough shine to leave us ladies happy. Ta-da!